This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and removing both JBL Live Pro 2 earbuds from the case, then lay them on an anti-static mat. Use a magnifier and a small Phillips plus a plastic spudger. These let you separate the shell without scratching. Carefully photograph each step so you can reassemble correctly. Once done, gently pry the seam near the grill to access the driver and internal PCB. Do not force it. This first opening exposes the battery and flex cable you will test next. Now you diagnose. Use a multimeter to measure the battery at its contacts, looking for 3. 7V nominal, if below 3. 0V consider replacement. Inspect the flex cable and solder joints with magnification. Tiny cracks cause connectivity loss. If the driver is damaged or the mic fails, carefully desolder and replace with OEM spec parts, making tidy solder joints and avoiding heat on adjacent components. Once replacements are seated, confirm continuity and receipt ribbons. This middle finish by replacing any protective pads and aligning shell tabs so both halves meet naturally. Press evenly to avoid trapping cables. Charge the case and pair the earbuds to your phone, then run through audio playback, mic tests, and touch controls to verify success. If controls still misbehave, clean charging and contact surfaces with 90% isopropyl and check for cold solder joints. Reflow them gently if needed. If you still have trouble, note symptom specifics for targeted repair next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.